How to block someone on TikTok. Now, there might be many reasons why you want to block someone on TikTok, and whatever those reasons may be, the process is very simple. So the first step is to open TikTok on your device. Now, to block someone, you have to go in their profile. So simply tap on their profile name and head over to their profile in this way. If you don't find their profile, you can tap on the search icon and then search for their profile from here as well. So once you do that, open up their profile in this way, and then you want to tap on this arrow option at the top of your screen, and now you can have the option of block. So tap on that option, and now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Remember that they will not be able to send you message, see your post, or find your profile. So if you agree to this, tap on block, and once you have done that, you have successfully blocked that account on TikTok. Now you can obviously unblock it anytime you want. You simply have to tap on the unblock button and then confirm it. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.